Hey, thanks for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys all had a wonderful 4th of July weekend and had lots of fun. And as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out BransonCerakote.com for your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day. So John, what are you going to be doing today?
Well, I was out all last week sick, so I'm wading through a couple hundred emails. I'm going to get stuff ordered that is we're running low on, and just trying to get caught up. That's about it. I still feel like crap.
So Zach, what are you going to be working on today?
Just a lot of single color projects. We got a couple of 80% lowers they just want done black. Working on a slide that we're going to do a base coat in and another color over, and Laura's going to laser it tomorrow. And then I'm going to mainly just be sandblasting our projects and getting them ready to spray tomorrow.
So today I'm going to be doing some office work. We got some designs that I need to look over and kind of come up with as well for the car show that's at the end of the month. I'm also going to be cutting stencils so we can update our inventory. I know that there's a lot more stuff that I got to do today, but that's what I'm doing right now, since you asked. Alright, back to you, Whitmore.
Hey guys, so we actually messed around with our new machine today that uses the Lindenberg effect that actually burns into wood and creates cool patterns. So we're going to show you some footage of us using that, and let us know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your Cerakote laser and stencil needs. Have a great day.